Fundraising and scaling. What does it take? My name is Følg, and I am co-founder of Intech Founders. Together with Nordea Startup and Growth, we provide you with tips and tricks directly from successful people from the ecosystem. Hear more from Christel Piron from PreSeed Ventures about what they are looking for before investing into a startup.
My name is Christel. I am the CEO of PreSeed Ventures, and I'm also a general partner at PSV Tech 01, an early stage tech investor. PreSeed Ventures has been around for more than 20 years, and we are the most successful early stage investor in Denmark. We have done more than 450 early stage investments, and this is the reason why we think that we are the best investor in companies that are before product market fit. So when we invest, we normally look for 5 things. The first thing is, of course, team, which is the most important thing. The second thing is the product, the value proposition, what problem are you trying to solve? The third thing is actually the market. Is the market big enough? Do we believe in the market? Is it the right timing for this product? The fourth thing is actually scalability. Do we believe that you are able to actually scale this company so it doesn't become an only Danish company? And the fifth thing is actually sustainable edge. How does the competition look? Are you the only one that have found a solution for this problem, or do we see a lot of other competition? In order to becoming investor ready, you need to understand that you're actually selling something. You need to get your storytelling in place. A lot of founders just focus too much on the product. Of course, you need to explain what your product is, but in order to convince me, you need to sell the vision. You need to sell the bigger picture, and I need to understand and believe that you are able to go the full way. It's a little bit like applying for a new job. You need to know what company you are applying for, or else you will not get the job. So that's the first and really most important thing. And the second thing is not to give up, because it's a very, very hard job. Probably the hardest job in the world being a founder, because you are doing everything at the same time as you are fundraising. And you will get a lot of no's. No doubt about that. So you need to just continue, because you will succeed at some point.